So today let's check out some block and holds, some pulsing to the beats, and playing some broken chords with suspended twos. If you're not sure of any of these, then stay with me now and let's put it together. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please join me each week for tutorials and instrumental videos. And if you haven't already subscribed, then please click that button, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. So let's jump straight into our 3 easy steps. And the third version is personally my favorite. So let me know in the comments which option works for you today. So let's get straight into step 1. We're just going to block the chords on a D pattern. Now if we play the notes D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp and A there, our thumbs are actually on the starting notes for this carol, Away in a Manger. So if you're singing at home with family and people are trying to find their notes, then the starting is your thumb to your thumb. So let's just play the D bass note for a D chord, and we're going to play one for each lot of words. Away in a manger, no crib for a, and we're going to change to the G now. So G chord is the G bass note there, G, B and D in your right hand. Hold that one as well. Then down to an E minor, E, G and B. Hold that one there. D chord again. Then an E major next. So we go E, G sharp and B there. And then we're going to put in a pretty little suspended here in the right hand by going finger 1, finger 4, finger 5. And then step 2, the 3 at the end of that group. Back to our D again, D hold, and D hold again, and for the third time, back to the G, then E minor again, back to D, E sus 4, so 1, 4 and 5 together for this bit, 3 finger, back to the D. Let's do a little mini run, here we go. Get our starting notes there. Away hold and step. And hold, step, D chord again to finish there. For our next step to go through Away in a Manger, let's just pulse to the beat. So this will help if you're having a sing-along and you kind of want to help the flow. We can go both, right, right, both, right, right. Third time, up to the G, E minor again, D pattern, over that E, G sharp, B there together. Right, right, and then sus and C sharp. So I might just hold that one and step down there. D, right hand, both, right hand, right again. Up to the G, right, right, E minor, to the D, and then the C sus, 1, 4 and 5. So play those 2 together. Third finger down to the D there. Okay, so let's have a run of that together. So we'll get our notes again. Away. So we have thumb and then all together on the D chord. Away. D, right, right, D, right, right to G, right, right. D again. Hand in and over our G sharp there. Hold, step. E minor again. To the D. Now hold, step and D. So for our third and final step, which is my very favorite, please remember to comment what is your favorite step for today. We're going to have quite a simple right hand. It's not going to jump around all over the place. Over a 2 chord or a suspended chord, it means we're not going to play our third middle finger there. We're going to leave that off and just play a D, E and A. A. That's called a 1, 2, 5 or suspended 2 chord. Put that over our D bass note again, and we're just going to go up and down each note. So D bass note, D, E, A, E, D. Because I think that's really pretty. Here we go. D again. G now, and keep your right hand there. E, keep your right hand there the whole way. D, E, A. We're just going to step up that time. So A, D, E, A, and then let's step your thumb and hold on the C sharp. Here we go. D, D again. Third time. G. So just keep your right hand there the whole way. D. Now the A, sus button up, thumb to C sharp and D. And you can finish on that one. So let's do a bit of a run now, and I'll play through the 3 versions. You can do them all as well, or pick your favorite one and play along. Remember that if you want anything simple at any stage, then just drop to only one hand or to the bass note and have fun playing along. Let's do it. Ready, go. With that, Carol, and if you'd like to check out any other ones that you might have missed, I'll link to the playlist for our carols for this December. Happy music making, ta-da!